Today's video is going to be a fun video. Keep watching because you have not seen me do these types of look that often. I used to do that way back 6 years ago when I started YouTube, but I'm going to do one today. But before I start, this was left in the comments and it says, God's love for me is constant, new every morning, and I am never abandoned. While this is sinking in, I am going to say it one more time, just in case you need a little confirmation. There is it. God's love for me is constant, new every morning, and I am never abandoned. I hope and I pray that this encouraging word, message, empowerment, information that I just read for you will propel you to your next step, your next move, your next thought, your next joy, your next happiness. And I hope and pray that it does. I am going to create a look and I have 4 palettes. I am going to create something different, so keep watching. I am using these palettes in no particular order. I am just going to create art and have a little bit of fun with my eyeshadow palettes today. If you want to see what I'm doing, just keep watching because it gets really good. And I think I'm going to use just the shimmers. So I will start with the shimmers. I have the green, and most of this video I will have to put in music because it might be long and I want you to enjoy it with some music. So the message has been said. If that's all you came here for today, I appreciate it very much. I am back with today's look. This is what today's look is. Fun, being myself, enjoying my makeup. And I put the purple and the blue right here, as you can see. But today's inspirational card, I just pulled it after I finished all of this. It says, I freely express who I am. This card, I just pulled it off my box. This is the box of my cards. And usually I pull it out first before I start, but today I started first and then I pull it out after I was done. And it says, I freely express who I am. That is true for me. I pray and hope that is true for you. You have to freely express yourself, whether you behind closed doors or out in the open, because living your true self is always going to make you happy. People won't agree with your true self. Not everyone. But you got to remember, you are living for you. You have to be with yourself 24/7. And if you don't live yourself for you, if you don't live your life for you, if you don't express yourself freely for you, then you are not going to be happy and you're not going to be fulfilled. There will be a little bit of resentment and anger. The person you're trying to feel resentment and anger to, they don't feel it, only you. So remember to freely express yourself. Be you. This is me for today. I appreciate you very much for watching this video. Please remember that you are important. You are very, very important. Do not dim your light for anyone else. Shine as bright as you can because this is who you are. Dimming your light and making yourself small and making yourself disappear doesn't help the other person. It does not. Until I see you and you see me, take a little bit of time to just know a little bit more about who you are. I love you very much. Bye.